want a little black?
Hi guys, today we're gonna work on how to make a pumpkin. So first, let me turn this around. Is this YouTube in? Wait, is it? Wait, is it? Wait, is it?
Can you help me make a smiley face?
Okay, now.
Help me make a smiley face on a pumpkin.
Yes.
Wait. How do I?
Where do you want it?
Okay.
Right here?
So
Or right here?
first,
Right here?
you need to draw. So first you need it sideways, and then you just draw a very wide.
Big one.
A big
You
smiley
that's
Yeah.
almost like this. Look. This
I need
is what it looks like.
like
Now we're gonna curve this side up just like this, and we're gonna paint. So now we're gonna do it on the other side. There. Here we go.
We got a snow.
Now we need to add a curve like this. So then it totally doesn't look like a pumpkin right now, but it looks like a pumpkin. I said pumpkin, but I'm supposed to say pumpkin. Anyways, now you have to draw the stem, which you already know how to make, but to make it realistic, first we're gonna go straight line and then curve and then up and then curving and then like this. That's a look perfect. Now let's do the rest. So now we're gonna do the smiley face and the eyes and the nose, of course. And first you have to draw a big smile like this, and then you're gonna curve it back in, connecting like this. Doesn't it look so cute? Yeah, it does. But now we're gonna add the rest. So now we're gonna make the nose. Now here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna add the eyes
over here.
Now I'm gonna add these. Okay, what's so cute? Okay, look. Okay, I'm gonna stop that. Okay, now we're gonna draw the lines, which you're gonna curve in, and then curve and then stop, and then keep go. And now curve again, stop at the eyeball, and then keep going. And also, we have this website, as we know.
Look what that is, Ezra.
Let's see. Okay.
Every day.
Now we're gonna make some design You don't even need to be perfect at this, but still, try your best just like me. I know mine looks creepier than all of yours, but still, yours all look good. I'm looking at you. I see you through the screens. I see you through the galaxy. I see you through the universe. So funny. Anyways, now, since we've done those lines, now we're gonna do those designs on the stems. And then there, and there, and there. There. Look. Okay, now we're gonna add some teeth. So first, we're gonna add some lines to this thing. Now we're gonna go to curve back around. Okay, here it is. So now, here we go. That's all of it. So if you want to see some more videos, click on, well, subscribe, of course. So then you can give more. So give us a thumbs down if you want no more, or thumbs up, or if you want more. Okay, so bye.